We will give you time to find the answer. If you find earliest, note them and comment how much is your score. Harry Potter's birthday date. Answer is 31 July 1980. Who is the security guard at the entrance of Gryffindor's common room? Answer is the Fate Lady. What was used by Dumbledore to light up the street lights in Private Drive? Answer is Deluminator. What is the occupation of Hermione's parents? Answer is dentist. Who guided Fluor to the yellow ball? Answer is Roger Davies. Harry Potter's eyes have a particular color. Which is that color? Answer is green. The name of the prison where Gellert Grindelwald was imprisoned. Answer is Normangaard. The actual name of Lord Voldemort is. Answer is Tom Marvolo Riddle. In which player position Harry belongs to the Gryffindor Gothic team? Answer is Seeker. The platforms from where Hogwarts Express passes are. Answer is 9 3/4. Who defeated Albus Dumbledore in a global wizarding war in 1945? Answer is Grindelwald. The birthday of Harry Potter and another one also same day. Who is that? Answer is J.K. Rowling. Which mode of transport was used by Harry and Ron to move to Hogwarts? Answer is flying car. Which is the middle name of Tom Riddle, who is also called Lord Voldemort? Answer is Marvolo. Who brought Harry to Hogwarts when he was matured to go there? Answer is Hagrid. Who is the headmistress of Pius Barton's Academy of Magic? Answer is Madame Maxime. Which substance is destructive enough to destroy a Horcrux when exposed to it? Answer is Basilisk venom. What is the name given to the most ardent followers of Lord Voldemort? Answer is Death Eaters. Name the godfather of Harry Potter. Answer is Sirius Blackdew. Who later becomes Lord Voldemort's trusted snake and Horcrux? Answer is Nagini. Ronald Basil had a phobia on which insect? Answer is spiders. Who alone would be able to unseal the hammers of secrets? Answer is the heir of Slytherin. Which was the species of Hagrid's pet dragon? Answer is Norwegian Riddleback. Each year Mrs. Weasley gives a gift to Harry. What is that? Answer is a new sweater. A patroness of Snape was a. Answer is Dove. On which occasion 12-foot troll entered into Hogwarts Academy? Answer is Halloween. Name the daily which was described throughout the Harry Potter series. Answer is Wiley Probert. Who is the owner of a sorting hat who was one of the founders of Hogwarts? Answer is Hodrick Gryffindor. Who has done the role of Harry Potter in the films? Answer is Daniel Radcliffe. Who is the large dog that accompanied Hagrid in many places? Answer is Frank. At what age one can join in Hogwarts School of Witchcraft? Answer is 11. Name the book which is given to Harry by Hermione before his first Quidditch match. Answer is Quidditch Through the Ages. What does Professor McGonagall placed in order to guard Sorcerer's Stone? Answer is Wizarding Chess. Who are the parents of Ron? Answer is Molly and Arthur Weasley. Name the phoenix which was Albus Dumbledore's animal companion and defender. Answer is Fawkes. Name the extremely unsocial ghost of Slytherin who is the only one control thieves. Answer is the Bloody Baron. Who was Harry's captain in Slytherin in his first Quidditch match? Answer is Marcus Flint. There is a female dragon Norbert in Harry Potter. What is its species? Answer is Norwegian Ridgeback. Name the person who usually referred to as Wormtail or Strabbers. Answer is Peter Pettigrew. Name the category who was born into a wizarding family but hasn't got any magic powers. Answer is Scope. Which animal attacked Ron's father when Harry had an intense dream? Answer is a snake. Robert portrayed which character in the film adaptation of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire in 2005? Answer is Cedric Diggory. Vernon Dursley had his own office on which floor of his drill company? Answer is 9th. Which character in Harry Potter carries a camera always with him at Hogwarts? Answer is Colin Creevy. Which is the password given to the Fate Lady to enter into Gryffindor Tower? Answer is Big Snout. Harry's best friends are? Answer is Hermione and Ron. The role of Professor McGonagall was done in the movies by? Answer is Maggie Smith. In which house did Sorting Hat want to include Harry? Answer is Slytherin. Who was appointed as the gods of Acapulco prison by the Ministry of Magic? Answer is Dementors. Who is Harry's father? Answer is James Potter. Who gives Harry after a DA lesson in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix? Answer is Cho Chang. What was Hermione's weapon to escape from Devil's Snare Plant? Answer is fire. Name the mother of Severus Snape who was pure-blooded witch? Answer is Gillian. Which is the street address of the home owned by Vernon and Petunia Dursley? Answer is 4 Private Drive. In the first book, which flavor ice cream is eating by Harry at the zoo? Answer is lemon ice pop. What is the name of Hagrid's pet, a giant spider? Answer is Aragog. Date of birth of Harry Potter is on. Answer is 31st of July 1980. Name the place where Harry was born. Answer is Hodrick's Hollow. Who became a chaser on the Gryffindor Quidditch team? Answer is Angelina Johnson. Who was the name of Harry's mother's maid? Evans. Which shade did Ron change Scabbers into? Answer is yellow. Which job did Harry acquire when he grew up? Answer is head of the Horror Office. What was the former name of Professor Sprout? Answer is Pomano. Name the person who keeps the Potter family's secret. Peter Pettigrew. Gryffindor Quidditch team captain is. Answer is Oliver Wood. The place where Harry met with Guardianus Quirrell for the first time is. Answer is the Lake Cauldron. Phoenix stands for. Answer is rebirth. In which place Harry realized he can talk with the snakes? Answer is at the zoo. Harry usually plays a game using the cupboard as. Answer is toy soldiers. Which tree's wood is used to make Harry's magic wand? Answer is holly. Which color represents Slytherin houses? Answer is green and silver. To which school Harry planned to go before he decided to go to Hogwarts? Answer is Stonewall High. Harry passed out for which days after finding the Sorcerer's Stone? Answer is 3. In his first Quidditch match, Harry's team was against which house? Answer is Slytherin. Name the person who put Harry's name in the Goblet of Fire. Answer is Barty Crouch Jr. The colors which represent Ravenclaw house are. Answer is blue and bronze. Name the first captain of Harry in Quidditch match. Answer is Oliver Wood. What gift did grandmother give Neville in his first year at Hogwarts? Answer is a remembrall. Which is the magical device a stone basin used to save and review memories? Answer is Pensivee. Perfect bathroom's door is left to whose statue? Answer is Boris the Bewilder. Who is the producer of the Philosopher's Stone? Answer is Nicholas Flamel. The place where Vernon Dursley works. Answer is Groenings. First name of Macnar, who is a Death Eater too. Answer is Walton. Professor Quirrell's original name is. Answer is Gurinus. Name the warden of the orphanage from where Voldemort came from. Answer is Mrs. Cole. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and comment your marks you scored. Thank you.